Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching platform. At this section today we are going to discuss about surface areas and volumes, which is a part of 9th class mathematics. Let's get started. Mensuration, 3D mensuration, core concept of 3D mensuration. So first one, volume. So it is denoted as capital V. The amount of space an object occupies. The amount of space an object occupies, it is measured in cubic units such as a centimeter cube or meter cube. So clearly we need to notice that. So if it is given an objective, so the amount of space an object occupies. So for example, this is objective. For example, so this is a solid objective. Am I clear? So the amount of space of an object occupies, so it is measured with cubic units. Cubic units means such as a centimeter cube or meter cube. So it is measured with cubic units, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, nothing but centimeter cube, or meter into meter into meter cube. So it is also called cubic centimeters or cubic meters. So especially volume as measured in cubic units. Am I clear? Next one, surface area. The total area of all the surfaces or faces, all the surfaces or faces of a solid object, it is measured in square units such as a centimeter square or meter square. For example, what I am taking, a solid object cube taken. So cube contains total how many faces? 6 faces, top to bottom, left to right to front to back. So this, for example, it will be considered as a solid object. The total area of all the surfaces, 6 surfaces or faces. So it is called surface area. It is measured with square units. Square units nothing but centimeter into centimeter, square centimeters, or meter into meter, square meters. Am I clear? So next one, lateral or curved surface area. So LSA stands for lateral surface area, or CSA nothing but curved surface area. The surface area of the shape excluding the area of the base. So base, next one. So clearly we need to notice that lateral surface area nothing but the surface area of the shape excluding the areas of the base. Bases nothing but upper surface, lower surfaces, excluding upper surface and lower surface, remaining around the 4 parts is called lateral surface area or curved surface area. Am I clear? So if it is added lateral surface area plus base area and upper area, so that is called total surface area, total surface area, TSA. So the sum of all areas, the sum of the areas of all the faces of the shape. So suppose that a cube contains total 6 faces, top to bottom, front to back, left to right. The sum of all areas of the sum of the areas of all faces, nothing but all 6 faces area is called total surface area. So it is also written as lateral surface area. Total surface area equals to lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. 2 into base area. Am I clear? So next one, dimensions. 3D shaped are defined by the 3 key properties. So first one is faces. The flat or curved surfaces that make up the shape. Edges, the lines where 2 faces meet, vertices, the corners where edges meet. So dimensions, nothing but 3D dimension. 3D contains volume. So for example, only taken here what I am taken, cube. So this is a cube. It is a solid cube. So it contains 6 faces, top to bottom, front to back, left to right. So for example, it will be considered as a solid cube, solid 3-dimensional figure. So nothing but cube. So dimension 3D shaped are defined as a 3 key properties. So what is the first one? So first one is faces. The flat or curved surface area that make up the shape, just like. So here what I am given the shape square. It is combinations of squares. So 6 squares. It is a combination of 6 squares. So square forms. That is called faces. Edge, the line where 2 faces meet. The 2 faces meet. That is called edge. Here edge means length, breadth, height. So this is a length, this is a breadth, this is a height. But here length, breadth, next height all are equal. That is called cube. Again, vertices, the corner we have where edges meet, the corners where edges meet, that is called vertices. So cube contains total how many vertices? 4 vertices. Upper part 4, lower part 4. Total become 8. Am I clear? Next one, prism. So first one is prism. So what is the main shape of prism? A prism is a solid geometrical figure whose two end faces are similar, equal or parallel. Am I clear? So let me take an prism diagram. This is a prism. So what I am given, a prism is a solid geometrical figure whose two end faces, nothing but lower surface, upper surfaces, similar, nothing but same, identical, equal and parallel, just like that. So lower surface, upper surfaces are equal. What I am given, lower surfaces. So this is a lower surface. What I am given, triangle shape. Triangle shape. It is also triangle. Am I clear? So what I am given, whose two end faces are similar or equal or parallel. So if it is given prism, what is the volume of the prism? Base area into height. So here what is the base area? So shape is very important. Base shape, what I am given here, triangle. Suppose if it is given triangle of base area, nothing but area of the triangle. Okay, area of the triangle of BH into height. So height is H. So lateral surface area, LSA stands for lateral surface area. Base perimeter into height. So base perimeter into height. So base shape is a triangle. Perimeter means A plus B plus A. Sum of the three sides into height. That is the height. Next one, total surface area. Lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. So 2 into base area, lateral surface area, total will become a total surface area. Am I clear? So the next one, cube. So this is very important. What is the shape? A six-faced solid where all faces are squares of equal side length A. So clearly we need to understand what is a cube. So this is a cube. A cube is a six-faced solid. It is a solid figure. It is a solid figure. Am I clear? So solid figure where all faces, but here a cube contains total 6 faces, front to back to left to right to top to bottom. 6 faces are all are squares. So each one has a square of equal size length A, but here all are equal, nothing but length, breadth, height are equal. So this is a length, it is a breadth, it is a height. So all are equal. So what is the volume formula? It is just like a prism. So cube also have one of the prism. So in that prism, what I'm given the formula of volume, base area into height. So base area into height. So here what is the base? Base shape is a square. So base area nothing but. So how to get volume? Volume equals to base area into height. Base area into height. Here length, breadth, height all are equal. That is called cube. Okay. So base area nothing but area of the square. A square into height also A units. What is total? A cube. So that is the volume formula. Volume equals to A cube. Am I clear? So it is calculated in cubic units. Next one, lateral surface area. Already given the lateral surface area formula of prism, base perimeter into height. So base perimeter into height. Lateral surface area equals to base perimeter into height. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand base perimeter means what is the shape of base square. Square base perimeter nothing but 4A. Perimeter of the square into height A units. What is the total? 4A square. Am I clear? So that is a lateral surface area. So cube also one type of prism, nothing but upper part, lower part. So upper surface, lower surface both are same shapes. So that is similar or equal or parallel. So that is called prism. But in that case, cube also lower surface and upper surface both are square shapes. So nothing but equal and same identical lower shape and upper shape. That is called also prism. So cube also prism. We need to understand the what I'm given the formulas of prism, the same formulas applied towards the cube. So that is a lateral surface area and volume. Am I clear? So what is total surface area? Total surface area equals to lateral surface area, already got 4a square, plus 2 into base area. Already told you, 2 into base area. 2 into what is the base area? Base area nothing but base is a square tape, area a square, 2 into a square, total 4a square plus 2a square, 6a square. That is the total surface area. But here what I am given next, diagonal. So what is the diagonal of square? Root 2 into a, but here a into root 3. So this is a 3-dimensional figure. Am I clear? How will get a diagonal? Square root of L square plus B square plus H square. But here length, breadth, height are equal. So it can be written root 3a square. Therefore, diagonal equals to root 3 into a or a into root 3. Am I clear? So a into root 3. Let us go to cube. So what is a cube? So what is the main shape of cube? It is a 6-faced solid where all faces are rectangles, opposite faces are identical. So clearly we need to understand what is the difference between square and cube. So this is a cube. Am I clear? What is the difference between cube and cuboid? But here length, breadth, height are different. So just clearly we need to understand this is a length, it is a breadth, it is a breadth, it is a height. So the height means this is a height. Am I clear? So this is a cuboid, a 6-faced solid. It is a solid figure where all faces are rectangles. So 6 faces are rectangles, front to back, bottom, top and left to right, all are rectangular shapes. Opposite faces are identical, nothing but equal. Am I clear? So what it is also prism. It is also prism. What is the volume of prism? Base area into height. Base area into height. Am I clear? So here base area nothing but what is the base shape? Just like it is a base shape, it is a rectangle. So rectangle base area nothing but L into B into height. Height H, that is LBH. So that is a volume formula, L into B into H. Length into breadth into height. Am I clear? So next one, LSA, nothing but lateral surface area. So what is the lateral surface area of the prism? Because it is also prism, because upper surface, lower surface both are identical, nothing but the same shape. So that it is also prism. But in that prism, what I am given lateral surface area, base perimeter into height. But here also taken base perimeter into height. So lateral surface area equals to base perimeter into height. Into height. So here base perimeter nothing but what is the base shape? This is a rectangle. Base perimeter means 2h into 2 into L plus B. 2 lengths, 2 breadths. That is called base perimeter. 2 into L plus B. Plus into height h. It can be written as 2h into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is a base perimeter. Base perimeter means a perimeter of a rectangle, 2 lengths and 2 breadths. 2 into L plus B plus height, 2h into L plus B. It is also called area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. So lateral surface area also called area of 4 walls. Area 4 walls of room. Okay. That's one. Next one, total surface area. Total surface area nothing but it can be written as, so lateral surface area nothing but 2h into L plus B plus 2 into base area. So base area means LB. So 2 common, it can be written as LB plus BH plus HL. So this is a total surface area. According to prism, total surface area LSA nothing but lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. So 2 into base area. 2 into base area nothing but what is the area of base shape? It is a rectangle, L into B. 2 into base area. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So that is ordered. So what is the diagonal of cuboid? Square root of L square plus B square plus A square, because length, breadth, height are different. But in that, if it is asking diagonal of rectangle, only square root of L square plus B square. Am I clear? But here 3-dimensional, nothing but height also possible. So you can write square root of L square plus B square plus A square. Next one, cylinder. So what is shape of cylinder? A solid with two circular bases that are parallel and identical, connected by a curved surface. So just like that. So it is a solid, two circular bases. It is a circular circle, it is also circular bases that are parallel and identical, nothing but both are upper area and lower surface, upper surface, both are same areas, and parallel and identical, nothing but same. It is also called R, nothing but radius of the circle. It is also radius of the circle, and it is a height. So connected by a curved surface, just like that. So this is called curved surface. Am I clear? So what is it? Is also one type of prism. What is the lateral surface volume of the prism? Volume equals to, so base area into height. Base area, because upper surface, lower surface, both are same and same identical and also parallel. So you can directly apply the prism formula. Volume equals to base area into height. Base area into height. So base area, nothing but what is the base shape? It is a circle. Circular area pi r square into height h units. So it can be written pi r square h. That is the volume of the cylinder. Am I clear? So next one, curved surface area. Curved surface area equals to, so it is also prism, because upper surface, lower surface, upper surface and lower surface are same identical. Okay. So nothing but that are parallel and identical, connected by a curved surface. That is called cylinder. It is also a prism. So curved surface area equals to, what is the formula already given? Base perimeter into height. Base perimeter into height. Into height. So base perimeter means what is the perimeter of circular shape? That is a base. So 2 pi r into height h. It can be written 2 pi rh. So this is a base perimeter, 2 pi rh. So that is a 2 pi RH is a curved surface area. So what is the total surface area of prism? Curved surface area, nothing but 2 pi RH plus 2 into base area. So what is the area of the base shape? That is a circle, pi r square. It can be written as 2 pi r common both side. It can be written h plus r. So this is the formula of total surface area. So cuboid and cylinder, it is just like a prism shape. So we can apply that directly prism formulas. So three type of formulas of prism. So first one is volume, base area into height, lateral surface area, base perimeter into height, total surface area, lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. Am I clear? So that is called cylinder. Next one, cone. A solid with a circular base and a point vertex of at the top. So that is called cone. So just like that. A solid with a circular base. Circular base is a circle. Okay, circular base. It contains circular base, and clearly we need to understand. So this is called cone. Am I clear? A solid, it is a solid figure with a circular base. This is a circular base. A circle, nothing but it contains a center with radius. Any point on center to circumference. That is called radius. So and a point and a pointed vertex. And a pointed vertex at the top. So this is called cone. So cone contains. So what is the base shape? Circle. Circle contains radius. It is a height. It is a slant height. It is called slant height L. Here L stands for what? Slant height. H stands for height. So R stands for radius of circle. So what I am given first formula, volume. Volume equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So pi r square h is the volume of cylinder. 1/3 of the pi r square h is the volume of cone. So curved surface area. Curved surface area, or it is also called lateral surface area. Pi RL. Pi RL. So total surface area, nothing but total surface area, nothing but total surface area. Total surface area equals to curved surface area, nothing but pi RL plus only base area will be added, that is called pi r square. So both side, which one is common? Pi r common, it can be written L plus R or R plus L. So that is the total surface area. Am I clear? So slant height, but it is a right angular triangle. So in that cone, it is a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras law, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse. But this is hypotenuse. It is always appeared to the opposite of right angle. So here L square equals to h square plus r square. Side square plus side square according to Pythagoras law. Therefore L is equals to square root of h square plus r square. That is a slant height formula. Am I clear? Next one, sphere. A perfectly round ball, a perfectly round ball like a shape with one continuous curved surface. Continuous curved surface is called sphere. Just like that. So a perfectly rounded ball like shape with one continuously curved surface. It is called sphere. So sphere contains radius. So here height also equals to radius. So total surface area formula 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Volume equals to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Am I clear? So a perfectly round ball like shape with one continuously curved surface is called sphere. So what is total surface area? 4 pi r square. Volume equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Am I clear? This is very important. Next, hemisphere. Hemisphere means what is the shape? Exactly half of a sphere. So exactly half of a sphere is called hemisphere. Just like that. It is a radius. Am I clear? So exactly half of the sphere is called hemisphere. What is the total surface area? So before that, first one, lateral surface area, very important here. Lateral surface area equal to half of the total surface area of sphere. Half, nothing but total half. Okay, half of the sphere is called hemisphere. So what is the total surface of sphere? 4 pi r square. That half of the value is called lateral surface area, 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square is the lateral surface area or curved surface area of hemisphere. So how will get total surface area? Total surface area equals to, so lateral surface area pi r square. Lateral surface area means that just like that. So this is the lateral surface area. This is a lateral plus upper surface area, that is a circle pi r square. What is the total? 3 pi r square. So this is a formula of TSA, nothing but total surface area. So includes the circular base. Include the circular base, nothing but it can be drawn as just like that. Half of the sphere. It is also hemisphere. Am I clear? Next, volume. So volume formula 2/3 pi r cube, because volume of sphere equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Half of the 4/3 pi r cube. So half of the sphere is called hemisphere. So 2/3. So clearly we need to observe 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. Half of the sphere, nothing but half of the volume is called hemisphere. 2 1s are 2 2s are. What is the volume? 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube. Am I clear? So this is the main fundamentals of surface areas. Am I clear? So let us go to exercise in my next class. Thank you. Have a nice time.